Yeah, they're awesome. They're really nice. Okay, we've got to unbox another unknown.
Let's unbox an unknown.
This guy's big. Can you, maybe, Jamie, can you grab that big old box over there? And welcome, Oh, Kitten just started following us. Thank you, Kitten. Thanks for the follow. I've already got you on the prize wheel.
Okay, so this is it.
Maybe I should put it up here. Maybe we should put it on this table here.
I think it'll fall off that table.
You think so? Okay. Okay, it's a giant box. There's 2 of them in there. Guesses can start now. Oh, what about the emu?
Whoa,
Jenny,
whoa.
you are right. Jenny.
Well, there's a box in the way now.
There is a box in the way.
We'll have to wait after the box.
After the box, you
People
guys
are already guessing. We can't stop that.
remind us about the emu as soon as it's done.
Or not. So the guess
remind us about the emu.
Or not. So the guesses so far: dinosaur,
Jamie's stinking socks,
lamps,
air fryer,
blankets,
bread
solar panels,
boxes,
bed sheets,
tablet,
dinosaur, air fryer.
vacuum.
Oh, air fryers, the closest area. It is something that would be in the same environment as an air fryer.
So you would use it in a
Bread
kitchen.
boxes, tablet, vacuum, storage containers, comforter. I mean, someone who comes
Toaster
over
oven,
and
pillow,
rubs your tummy and says, soft kitty,
blender,
warm kitty, little ball of fur.
happy kitty, something kitty.
Whoa, 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 kitten.
Kitten juicer. Kitten got it.
Congratulations, kitten.
Congratulations, Kitten. You got it. You are getting an extra draw. Good work. Good guesses, guys. Juicer. Yes, this is,
Fruits slow juicer.
let me go and put this on the carousel and then we can talk about it. Let me find it.
Enjoy healthy juice every day. Tick, tick. Certainly looks nice.
It does look good. I can't wait to give it a try. Let's see here.
Oh, do or do not. There is no try.
Okay, let's open this box and talk about it. Slow juicers are great. Yeah, they are great. So guys, this is going on the prize wheel. I've got it below. Go ahead and click on it.
Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair.
Oh dear, Rapunzel, I cannot climb that hair.
What?
I was gonna try to climb the hair. I was the guy climbing the hair.
Oh yeah, so here it is. You got it there?
I do. Now we can probably put it on the
Fruits
table.
slow. Yeah, bring your little table out now. Do, 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 do.
There you go.
All right.
We're gonna open this box.
Oh
and take
wow,
it.
yeah, you can. Let me just bring it back a little bit.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go. You can see it. I need scissors. Do not try this at home.
This is where I back up.
I am a professional. One will open the scissors, slide along the seam side, and it seems to open to the other side. And then very carefully, you want to get your fingers under and lift the box slightly so you're not cutting into the product. Just create a little bit of a cut, and then you'll find that it rips all the way along. I said rip all the way along! And there you go. It's that simple.
And now you guys know why I stand over here. Juicer has a $50 coupon, guys.
What?
That's a great deal. That is a great deal on it.
Oh, yeah. So you got your slow juicer instruction manual.
Look at it's got a little brush that comes with it.
It's got a dinosaur toothbrush.
It's a little dinosaur toothbrush. That is cute.
Instruction manual. Very simple instruction manual.
Cute.
Okay. Power cord.
Woohoo!
Nicely packed cardboard. We got different size cups here.
Here, hand me that.
Oh, this is fairly light.
Are we going to put it together? Let's just pull this whole thing out and put it together.
What?
Yeah, let's see what it looks like together.
Yeah, it's a plastic bag, some extension arm. Oh, here's the thing that you push in. Goes in somewhere that, oh, maybe down this way.
Down here.
Oh, it goes that way.
Yeah.
It slides in. Shh. To help push your little things in. All right, so you can hold him.
Oh, cool. Evan says this is a win.
And here we go on this side.
All right, let me just pull this guy out.
And it looks like, without reading the instruction manuals yet, that this slides in and clicks in. It's got a little group, three little, see right here, it's got three of these little clavs, and you've got your hexagonal driving shaft here, which would
Oh, it's got suctions on the bottom.
just slip into that section there. And as Amy just said, it's got suction tabs on the bottom here.
So it won't slide.
So
I got you.
let's just see.
There you go. Ah, cool.
So it's quite actually interesting. It has a little, and there's a release button here.
Okay, to release it.
So to take that out, push that in, turn it off. Yeah, so one of these buttons actually pushes in. So when you connect it up, you want to push in and turn.
And it clicks. You'll hear the click.
And you'll hear a little click, and then it's all set to go. Plopping down. And
This would go under here, right? Or
push
here, right here.
one
Yeah.
of these spots.
I think it goes under here. It's under that.
Lock, unlock. Oh, and this is how you unlock this thing for cleaning this guy.
Cool. But the juice comes out at the end here.
Yeah.
This is a great juicer. Really good quality one.
Yeah, so that's that. And feels nice. Plastic, nice solid plastic, not flimsy. Don't put too many ingredients in once. Little warning at the back here.
It has a reverse on it, and it has a soft and a hard. So maybe that's soft fruits and hard fruits. I'd have to read the manual to know, but
Reversed. And the reverse button is spring loaded, so it's not you're not going to just have it accidentally stuck there forever. So turn, move, soft, hard.
this is what a great gift too. What a great, really quick last minute gift with that $50 off coupon. You're set. Yeah. So either of these fit underneath here, and you got the little tray up here. I like this juicer. I can't wait to really give it a good go. And you've got the cleaning brush here. It looks like it looks like it pops out. You can use this scraper. It's got a little scraper on this end, or you can flip it around and have a little brush end. Pretty cool.
So there we go.
Cool. Very good. Nice.
So one of these fabulous fellas is on the prize wheel for someone to win. Isn't that awesome?
It is awesome.
Who would like to win one of these juices?
I know Stephanie's cousin wants it. She says, I make homemade lemonade by hand. I don't recommend it. You don't recommend making the lemonade by hand, or you don't recommend your lemonade? Jeanette says, yes. Cora Rose is me. Hello, Luis Garcia. I'm going to add your name on the prize wheel. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
We got a stand mixer. Now we're going to juice it. It's turning into a kitchen.
Turning into a kitchen. It's the kitchen and bedroom edition today, I think. Go to give to my sis. It's too late to be on the wheel. No, Amoni, you can jump on the wheel. We'll add you. We're going to probably run the wheel in just a minute.
Just answer this question.
Me. Cora Roses wants to give it to her sister. I wouldn't want to squeeze so many lemons either. I do know how to make lemonade out of lemons, though. That's for sure. Awesome. Cool. Very cool. Okay, we should probably spin that prize wheel.
Spin the prize wheel.
Let's do it. Okay, I got you guys all on there. Making it by hand, buy a squeezer. Absolutely. Okay, let's share
that.
That
juicer is cool.
It is cool. Very cool. That was super fun.
All righty. So who would like to win a prize?
All right, let's go.
Who would like to win a prize?